2,250 learners. But I only taken grade 4 to 7 because those people are the one who are doing the bullying. And some of the learners in this group, after they've been experienced bullying, they avoid to come to school.
So I get reports almost every day in my life, one report after the other. Sometimes my reports, they don't even come from the learners, they come from their parents. So look, see reports, it comes from a parent, and parent is not as calm as they should, you understand? So as we get to deal with these issues, it was very, I think the perfect word would be essential for such events to happen, and it was very much important for our learners to keep on reminding them about the effects of bullying, and the fact that bullying is not only just a light issue, but it's a very serious case.
Suicide. Do you want other kids to kill themselves in life? No. So, as for Danny and I'm going to mind my
bullying sekuyi-crime ethe ukhula ey'koleni okwenda apha umuntu elimale ngempela i-self-esteem elimale nokuze ahlukumezeke ngoko-academically angakwazi ukuperforma kahle esikoleni ezegcina equitha isikole. Kodwa ngokufika kwethu la siziveze sikhombisa ukuthi sinabo futhi sibakhombisa ama-right channel abangawahamba ukuze bahile mawukuthi kuyenzeka ukuthi uba u-victim of i-bullying, nokuthi-ke thina-ke zamaphoyisa iroli-ke esiyidlalayo ukusiza umntwana. Nathi sisebenzisana kakhulu nama-social worker ngoba umntwana uma sekawahlukumezeka emqondweni okubaluleke kakhulu i-rehabilitation ukuthi ahile.
Abantwana abaningi abazi where to report in case bengama victims or bebona bullying yenzeka around them. And so knowing where to find social workers, where to seek help, kuyasiza to try and stop bullying around ekoleni. I can safely say ukuthi we are heading somewhere in terms of having organizations amaningi coming together to try and fight bullying. And so I appreciate kakhulu knowing that asisodwa and we cannot stop lento lesisodwa.
Inside means jail. It means 4 walls. It means 4 corners. It means no life, no phone. You won't hug your mom there. You won't eat there, muktanda wena. You won't just wake up anytime, muktanda wena. You won't get even freedom. You won't even get this inside. So I think Uzalana, the most tricky part in Selana is to understand what you can do to stay in the first row. And it's always this is what you must do to stick to the first row. You know? Small choices.
Indlela aba-receive ngayo the information from someone of that personality, it also has it instills something in kumantwana to say, okay, umem always speaks about this, but now that it is being said by such person, such a well-known person, I think it is much more even the bully themselves oh no, I need to really stop this. If kukhona abantu abakhulu kangaka abakhuluma about such things, that I think we will see change from now onwards.
So I want to thank this social development group for coming to school and assist us a lot. And I hope from now on, I won't gonna be experiencing bullies.